Hi guys, so on the way to Bacolod. Our flight's at 4 a.m. See you in a while.
Pero parang nag-get ko na.
Kasi nung nakakatrabaho siya, and hindi to nakakatawa. I mean,
Good morning guys. So we're here right now at the IYA, bound for Bacolod because we're going to the Kinalipay Festival, another gig for Moira. So super excited and I'm super sleepy. Catch you guys later. Good morning. So we are now at Bacolod. Aga pa. It's like 6 a.m. at or something. Or 5:30. And then yeah, we still have some time to kill pagdating namin. Guys, we're at El Fisher Hotel. Let's go. Ah, thank you. Grabe. You know, many years ago, once upon a time, I went to this hotel already for football, I think. Guess what? I think I see something. Guys, there's a piano. Oh my god. There's a piano. There's a piano. What up? Alrighty, so we're here at the venue. It's actually quite a long ways off from the hotel we're staying at. So yeah, we're gonna do some sound checking and then head back to the hotel, sleep, and yeah, I'm just so sleepy.
isip ko, one of these days, habang nagna-narrate si Vincent, makarinig lang off-cam ng, "Shut up, Vincent!"
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! Anchors away?
That's all the ride that
Wow!
Yun lang yung...
Anchors away, and then there's the stage. So we are at the venue at Isabela Province. Nagsa-soundcheck na kami. What's up, Jay? Hey, 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 hey! So yeah, may fair pa dito. Fun. This is gonna be fun. Check ko lang yung angle.
Bigyan na natin sa instruments lang naman. Tapos yung iba, hindi naman natin tatap yung mga DI. DI, instruments lang.
Hey, hey, hey! Sound check done, guys! Electrolytes to this.
Pakaliit na ng buko ko. Oh my God.
Ooh, yum! Wow, look at that. Alright guys, so in a while we're gonna be going down. Tututok na kami.
Tulog kasi yan, ginising ko yung pas tulog niya. Ganun lang.
Super excited to be able to play here sa Isabela.
Yan, sa pag-gising ko sa amin.
Yeah, let's go!
Vamos!
Vamos! Let's go! So, just finished our set. It was absolutely wild. This may just be my favorite provincial gig so far. It was a blast. So we have a bit of an odd dilemma kasi we have to leave the hotel by 3 a.m. and it's already past 1. So, matutulog pa ba? Kasi kung magnanap, baka magtuloy-tuloy eh. So, I don't know. Ikaw, Nico. Nico, matutulog ka ba? Baka hindi. Ayun. So, we'll see. Good morning, guys.
Is it a good morning?
It's very good, but we're all very sleepy as well. It's 4 o'clock. We left the hotel at like 3 o'clock. Wasa. Kaya, naka-idip lang kami lahat actually. Nakatulog ka ba?
Di,
Ayun.
mga 10 minutes.
I think I was able to sleep around 15 minutes sa hotel before we checked out. So, yeah. So,
Proper sleep. Para 2 days ago.
2 days ago, yeah. Chop suey muna yung sleep namin for now. But once we get home, with all that being said, this is probably my favorite gig so far with Moy. Tawa nito. Hindi kasi sobrang buo ng tunog. Dalawang EG. Sheesh. And then it was also my first time playing double stereo. Yay!
Picking up 4 outs. Wow.
Thank you, Kuya Jess.
Must be
Shout out to
privilege.
Kuya Jess.
What a diva. While everyone else goes mono.
Could have shared those individual monos to us, no? Tapos naka-stereo din tayo.
Tatlo sana pa tayo naka-stereo. From Ace to me to Migs. But you know, you wanna go double stereo. Then naman, yung kay Vincent yung practical application so that we can make sure the pads aren't overpowering the entire mix in our ears. So,
Yeah. And also, it's cleaner overall. Like, si Kuya Jess was able to adjust the pads. Kailangan.
Okay, paano
For the
yun,
ano?
Rinig ko na yung pianos talaga.
Yeah. Kasi na-separate yung pianos, yung EPs, pianos, bells, from the pads, organs, strings, sounds. So, everything is like way better in terms of sound. Yes.
Pwede yun yung EP na sa East
Hindi.
Hindi, yung keys
Fast
one.
attack siya.
So, lahat ng mga fast attack na sounds nasa keys 1. And then yung keys 2
Sa soft
nasa
Slow attack.
nasa pads, strings, and then per program siya nakapatch. Good morning, guys. We're finally back at Manila. This is where I'm gonna end my vlog. It's been an absolutely amazing weekend. I really hope to go back to Isabela at Negros Occidental one day. I really enjoyed people, the crowd. It was an unforgettable night. So yeah, if you like this content, hit the subscribe here. Subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.